talking about the Tax and Jobs Act, and there's a few more things that you want to be aware of. Tax rates are lower. We have this QBI, or qualified business income deduction. That's the 20%. There's a few other things, Al, that people probably want to be aware of if they do have a small business in regards to the new tax law.
Well, that's exactly right, Joe. And I guess right off the bat, let's kind of focus a little bit on this higher equipment deductions. So that is, it's also known as the 179 deduction. You can buy a piece of equipment, you can write it off dollar for dollar. Let's say you got a couple $100,000 of profit in your business and you need to buy equipment for $200,000. You can buy that equipment on the last day of the year and fully deduct it. So with this new Tax Reform Act, they told us that you could deduct $1 million. That's a $1 million. $1 million of equipment. So if you got $1 million of profit and you need to buy a bunch of equipment, you can buy that equipment on the last day of the year and take that deduction. That's about double what it was last year. And just a few years ago, it was a couple $100,000, and before that, it was $100,000. So this is a huge benefit. And then something to be aware of is this entertainment expense.
What, no more Super Bowl tickets?
No.
No more,
No more Super Bowl tickets.
Cocktail parties.
You can go, you just can't write it off, right? That's really what it comes down to.
So all these big firms, right, if you got sports tickets and things like that, right now, a lot of these firms are not necessarily buying them because you can't write them off anymore.